Hello guys, welcome back again. So today I would like to show to you how the way to create a text tracking or element tracking onto your video. So the element or the text that you are adding is following the object on your video. So let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, you need to open your Capcut and then import a video of a moving object. So for example, I already import this video of a moving car, this one. And now I would like to insert a text onto this clip, and I'm going to make the text is have a movement as same movement as the car. So the way to create it, first you need to insert a text or maybe an element onto this clip. So let's type maybe just tongue tips like this and decrease the size of the text, decrease it, like this, and then go back to this main page. And now in this toolbar you just need to swipe left your toolbar until you found this tracking button and click it. Now put these tracking tools onto the object that you want to put the element tracking. And when it's done, just hit the start tracking and wait for a moment until the process is complete. Okay, when it's done, now you can click this lasting text to make the text have a same duration as the clip, and the final result of it will be wait for a moment, let me adjust it one more time, will be look like this. And that's the way how to put element tracking onto your video using Capcut application. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.